Hey everyone, today, we're going to talk about one of the most popular fruits in the world, which is tomatoes. Tomatoes come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, and they're packed with nutrients that are essential for our health. In this video, we'll be showcasing different types of tomatoes and their benefits, as well as some interesting facts about them. So, let's get started. Tomatoes come in many different varieties, each with its own unique flavor and texture. Here are some of the most popular types of tomatoes. 1. Cherry tomatoes. These tiny, bite-sized tomatoes are ideal for salads or as a snack. 2. Beefsteak tomatoes. These big, juicy tomatoes are excellent for slicing and adding to burgers or sandwiches. 3. Roma tomatoes. These oblong tomatoes are ideal for blending into pastes and sauces. 4. Heirloom tomatoes, which come in a range of hues and forms and have been handed down through the years. 5. San Marzano, a well-liked tomato type from Italy. San Marzano is renowned for its sweet flavor and low acidity. It's frequently used to make tomato paste and sauce. 6. Green zebra, an unusual tomato cultivar, features stripes of green and yellow. Salads and salsas frequently contain it because of its tart flavor. 7. Brandywine, a huge beefsteak tomato type prized for its rich sweetness. It is frequently used in salads and sandwiches. 8. Yellow pear. This tomato type, which is petite and shaped like a pear, has a sweet flavor. It is often used as a garnish and in salads. 9. Black creme. This is a dark-colored tomato variety that has a rich, smoky flavor, also frequently used in salads and sandwiches. 10. Cherokee purple. This heirloom tomato variety, which is huge and has a sweet, rich flavor. 11. Sun gold. This cherry tomato cultivar is petite and has a sweet, delicious taste. 12. Campari. This is a type of tomato that is slightly larger than a cherry tomato and has a sweet, juicy flavor. As most of the other types also, it's often used in salads and as a snack. Tomatoes are not only delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients that are essential for our health. Here are some of the benefits of eating tomatoes. Rich in antioxidants. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants like lycopene, which can help protect against cancer and heart disease. Good for skin. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, which can help keep your skin healthy and glowing. Low in calories. Tomatoes are low in calories, making them a great snack for weight loss. Good for the eyes. Vitamin A, which is crucial for clear vision, is abundant in tomatoes. Helps with digestion. Tomatoes are a good source of fiber, which can help regulate digestion and prevent constipation. They also contain natural acids that can help break down food in the stomach, making it easier to digest. Did you know that tomatoes were once thought to be poisonous? However, today we know that tomatoes are not only safe to eat but also incredibly beneficial for our health. Another surprising fact is that tomatoes are actually a fruit, not a vegetable. They belong to the nightshade family, which includes potatoes, eggplants, and peppers. And here's an impressive record: the largest tomato ever grown weighed over 7 pounds. Tomatoes have a rich history too, as they were first cultivated in South America over 2,000 years ago. Fascinating, isn't it? So, the next time you enjoy a delicious tomato, remember these interesting tidbits about this incredible fruit. So, there you have it. Tomatoes are not only delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients that are essential for our health. Whether you're snacking on cherry tomatoes or making a sauce with Roma tomatoes, there are so many ways to enjoy this versatile fruit. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about tomatoes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Till next time, happy gardening!